up in here crying. It's ready to come out. I'm ready. Hey, Stripe. Tuxie, come on. Come on, bud. This way. That's my sweetheart. Here you go. Your boy's doing good? Well, it's cloudy this morning and we've got a small chance of rain this morning and a bigger chance this afternoon. Hopefully that's gonna work out. All the kitties are here and happy this morning, which always makes my morning a good one. Hold down the fort for me while I go for my walk. It's just a little after 9. So the guys look like they're here to mow. Dawn left a little bit more space between Jules and the curb. They're the town guys, they're pretty respectful. I've not seen them do things that some of the other lawn crews seem to do. And Jules is not perfectly clean, so, and neither is Ruby, by the way, after her little trek to Charlotte and back. I had to clean the front windshield. There was like, I don't know, a coat of something mucky on it. Well, there's the first bunny of the morning. Hi! Kitty! Are you in search of your people? You making your morning rounds? Hi, Kitty! I missed you! Hi! Hi, Kitty! Donnie did good getting me a video of you. Hi! You gonna come say good morning, get a belly rub? Good morning! Don's on his way to do his hit. I stopped to pet Kitty, obviously, lots of tummy rubs, and scanned that Pokestop. Well, there's Donnie doing his hit. You know he loves doing it. Just so excited. But there's a breeze, it's cloudy, it's not too hot. It is, however, quite humid. Go, Donnie, go! You're looking good this morning. I can tell you giving it all you got. Which is the whole idea of the high intensity interval training. I'm proud of you. Alright, they're here with the brand new black colored fencing. Guess it's going up today. Alright, here on the back side there's a little bit of fence up. Don't know if that was from this morning or where they quit on Friday or Saturday. The trees over here are stressed. They're starting to drop their leaves. Pretty normal for August, not so normal for July. So the garbage truck's been through already this morning, and when he came through the parking lot, he dropped down some odor. Let's just leave it there. Every Monday morning in the summer, it's like that. He goes over there and empties the can and then drives around the entire parking lot and circles it with this wonderful, wonderful odor. Well, we don't know if they're actually going to mow or not. The truck's still parked there with the mowers, but they haven't mowed. Up at South Park, we figure they're waiting to mow later in the week, closer to the celebration. Plus, it's been dry, so the grass isn't out of control. I'm doing my morning computer time. Just enjoying the view of the front yard. Morris is over there on the ground. Panther is sleeping over there on the carpet platform. Gray is getting her morning attention. She's very happy about it. I've been out here 10-15 minutes. I'm probably fixing to go inside here in a minute. Don and I have got to run to a quick appointment. We have 5 drops of rain now. So most people don't willingly go give up their fingerprints.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try the police department?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if not, then UPS.
Then UPS.
Yeah, Don's specific contract work has a request for fingerprints through the company, official request.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a government. This is a government contract.
Some pretty intense looking clouds over there, but no hail in these storms, just wind and what they call torrential rain. Uh-oh, that was too quick.
Yeah, she told me, she was very nice. I scared myself to death when I opened the door there. It slammed behind me. It's like, it sounds like that jail door slamming, you know, you hear on TV. It's like, holy crap, caught me. And anyway, long story short, she said, no, because of COVID, they don't do it. You have to fill out a form and go to an appointment and so forth. So we're going to UPS and see what they say.
Okay. All right. I slid across the console to get myself turned around in the driver's seat so I can go pick up Don on the sidewalk. It's raining pretty heavy. He's been in there for a while, so they must be doing something. Again, he's at the UPS store.
Hey, I think it's actually raining. I had to be picked up at the door. I had this chauffeur service.
Don did get his fingers printed.
That was a hoot.
I think this is Marty's way of letting me know it's rained and the food bowl out there is wet and he's hungry. Isn't it, Marty? Mom will come out and check on you. All right, so how much did we get?
Solid 4/10 of an inch.
Oh, wow, that was more than I thought.
I know, I was a little surprised, but it was a solid 4/10.
Wow, I won't have to order tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't think we'll have
Praise
to order
be.
them all. Yeah, I think that was enough to get everything good and damp again.
Wow,
The grass
excellent.
is going to jump.
Oh,
man,
no.
they're going to be 6 inches tall.
No. So I have been working for most of the day on this thing. I took a break to go to town with Dawn and I took a break to cook dinner, and that's about the only break I took, and the walk this morning. I'm not done with the third floor, but it's mostly done. I've got to build. Don's making me coffee for tomorrow. He's rattling around over there.
Oh, sorry.
I got to do this window, and I did one window all the way, but I've got to finish the other 3. I don't have enough parts. They're coming from California. I'm afraid I'm going to be really frustrated. So it is really coming along, though. I'm very pleased. And they had art on this back wall, and I modified it. So that's supposed to be a tree, the sun, and the ocean, like water, like you're looking out over the ocean. And they had another piece of art here that I didn't need because it's not an art studio, so I put in a window. But it's very, very close. It's close. It's 95% how the original designer had it, and I'm real happy about how it's coming along. So, and the back fire escape thing is pretty much done. So, next chance I get to work will be this window part, and then I can start on the roof while I wait on the stuff to finish these windows and the interior, I think I'm just going to follow along with the game theme. Did you come to help again, star of my Legos? You did? Hi. Hi, sweetie.